Hello there and welcome to this week's MPD TV. I've just popped back from the build-up of MAC, the big machinery show at the NEC, and it did very much focus my mind on the CDM regulations. With MAC being a machinery show, there's some huge lumps of machinery being forklifted and even craned around, tens of tons of machines, and they're very, very focused on people being safe. Because those sort of things, if they drop on you, you're going to know about it. So with the CDM regulations that came in about 3 years ago, they're very focused on PPE, personal protective equipment. Now there's two main items of PPE that you're going to need before you even set foot in an exhibition hall in the UK and abroad for that matter. And they're worth getting before you get to the show. First one, you can see I'm wearing a nice natty little number here, high-vis vest. Now they do come in different colours. Guys, if you want a pink one, you can get them in pink. You can get them in blue, red, orange, green, the standard yellow. You can pick them up from pretty much anywhere. A lot of the site shops do them. Expo suppliers at the NEC sell all sorts of sizes. So if you're big and fat like me, you can get an extra large one, and if you're not so big and fat, you can get some smaller ones that'll fit you a bit better. So high-vis vest, you need to be seen, forklift trucks, workers carrying some pretty heavy stuff around. Don't want to smack you in the face with a bit of 2x1 as you're walking around the corner, or run over your foot with a forklift truck. Now the second piece of PPE that you're going to need is a decent pair of shoes, just in case you do get your foot run over by a forklift truck. So the CDM regs suggest that you wear steel toe cap boots. Now you can pick those up from somewhere like B&Q or Screwfix, 20-30 quid for a decent pair of shoes, and that'll save your toes. Now I wear normally those, which are a decent pair of walking boots. That's the next best thing. For me, they're a bit more comfortable. I don't get on with steel toe caps. They kind of look like steel toe cap boots as well, so I kind of get away with it when I do need steel toe caps. But they are worth their weight in gold. I do wear steel toe caps if we have got lifting and heavy equipment on stands. I have had things drop on my foot before, a couple of times, and luckily I've been wearing my steel toe cap boots, so I still have all my toes. Now, you will not get into halls wearing things like flip-flops. I saw two guys try and get into Gadget Show wearing flip-flops a couple of years ago, and they were turned away. They were told to go and get some sensible shoes on. So normally, if you're at the end of a build-up towards a show opening, there's not a lot of forklift activity, that sort of thing. You will get away with sensible shoes. So ladies, no 5-inch heels with open toes, that sort of thing, and you should be okay. Just some sensible shoes, sort of thing you'd normally wear if you were going out walking, that sort of thing. Now those are your two main things. If you have got a double deck stand and you've got steelwork being put up, you will probably need a hard hat as well. And if you want to save time getting into the halls, if you wear your contractor wristband that you should be able to get before the build-up starts from the organisers, then you're going to save time getting in, so you haven't got to then pretend to read the health and safety declaration to go into the halls. So applies to all shows, whether it's got heavy lifting of machinery or not. In the UK, so get yourself a high-vis vest, get yourself a decent pair of shoes. Even if you just pop them both in the boot of your car, you've got them when you need them then. So you'll stay safe, you'll keep all your toes, you won't get run over by a forklift truck, and you'll be around for the next show. Hopefully that will be the case. I'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye.